no ngize lapha ukuthi ngizo attend ama meetings eIMF leWorld Bank annual meeting sizoxoxa indaba yokwakha umnotho, indaba zokwakha ama economies ethu eZimbabwe eAfrica jikelele. Ubuze lapha ngebond note. Ibond note imali yethu kumele siyisupport yes ifuna ukuyisebenzisa sisiya phambili. Ibond note angithi is part of what you call iZimbabwe dollar. So imali yethu yona leyana iUS dollar ukuthi abantu bayilahle anti balaye kuma accounts kuma FCA accounts bavele balaye enye ngaphansi kwamametres ikho lokho kodwa nxa siyathenga ema shops sithi sebenzisa iZimbabwe dollar which is ibond note le RTGS.
Is Zimbabwe ever going back to the US dollar? What's the situation?
Achi kasibuyele ku-US dollar. I-US dollar imali eqine kakhulu in the sense that iyabulala ilizwe. Ubulala ama-companies asakwanisa ukukompyutha. We undergo what we call deindustrialization. So kuqakathekile ukuthi iZimbabwe kumele ibe imali yabo, imali yethu selayo iZimbabwe dollar esifuna ukuyisupport.
And also you said you're here for a round table. What round table is that?
Ngolesithathu siyasile round table on Zimbabwe eWorld Bank. Ngizabe ngipresenta ngizama explain ukuthi bazwisise ukuthi senzani eZimbabwe ama economic reforms ku-fiscal, ku-monetary, ku-privatization, ku-ZIDA, ku-infrastructure development nakuma-legislative reforms ukuthi bazwisise ukuthi senzani eZimbabwe under the transitional stabilization program.
But most people are saying that Zimbabwe just needs to change its policies to make sure that there is good governance and rule of law. What are you going to be offering at the round table that's different?
Oh, Zimbabwe has changed in the sense that there is a rule of law. Anti-corruption commission. Corruption. That's a one example of good changes rule of law.
And you're here at the MEFMI meeting. How important is MEFMI to Zimbabwe?
The MEFMI is organization eqakathekile kakhulu. Ilapha sizoqoqa ngezemali, ngezomnotho, ezokwakha amazwe ethu. I-organization eqakathekile kakhulu and ithi sigcinile eZimbabwe. I-head office abise Harare. So ilanda ukubasupporta ukuthi basi support njalo.